Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I write an article from beginning to end. So I'm going to cheat and I'm going to use article Fiesta, but you obviously don't have to. You can do it in ChatGPT or something, but full disclosure, I'll put it out there straight away. So the first thing and the most important thing to do is keyword research. So I'm going to jump in here, and this is the Google AdWords planner. So just go to ads.google.com and then tools and settings and then keyword planner. So I'm going to discover new keywords. I'm going to start with a website. So I am an AI article writing website. So I'm probably going to steal some keywords from whoever's ranking the top. So in this case, Right Sonic. So I'm going to steal their domain, or I'm going to use their domain, not steal their domain. And I'm going to look to see what keywords they are ranking for. I will change my area to United States because the UK is not as big, and ultimately I want to be optimizing for United States traffic because they also tend to pay more. So brilliant. So when I click this, I can quickly see that their most common keyword is copywriters. Surprisingly, competition's actually really low for that. And copywriting, what is? Okay, so I actually quite like that as a keyword. It's 3 words, so it's not top level. It's got 33,000 searches per month, and it's down 33% year on year. So maybe I should be doing AI writing generator, but I think I've probably already done that keyword. Yeah, I'm running that as an advert right now. But yeah, so I like that. It plays to what I want. You can see it went up and went back down, but back down is probably still, is it going to show me? No, you're not going to show me. But it's still probably around 33,000 a month on average. But what we can do from here is we can take this to the Ahrefs keyword generator. You can just find that by searching it in Google. It's completely free. And then I will put, in fact, let's just go with copywriting at the top level. And we will find keywords from here. But I already know that according to this, it's copywriters, that's why. So I can see pointed copywriting, huge amount of search volume, and a keyword difficulty of 0. So I might actually change my thing to pointed copywriting. And if I look on questions, I can see nothing too crazy. Like, that's quite a lot, but I'm really liking this 0 difficulty. So I'm going to go for pointed copywriting. So if you just come to articlefiesta.com and click write an article, I'm just going to pause the video so you don't see me logging in. And now that I'm logged in, I am on the create simple article page. Actually, what I tend to do quite often in real life is I just have a schedule and this posts for me. But in this instance, I'm going to make an article about AI article writers. So that's the niche that I'm going to be posting for, and that's the keyword that I want. So ultimately, I'm going to post to the Article Fiesta blog. Quick pause so you can't see the full list, and I'm going to come down here and I'm going to tune to my settings. So I want this with internet access. I want this to search because this is a very up-to-date and current article and current topic. So I'm going to put that in there. AI generated images, yeah, that's fine. I will use that. I mean, I might actually use Midjourney. You guys can't have that, but feel free to use AI. And additional information. This is where I write extra things that I want the article to focus on. Now, I've quickly pasted in something that I use quite often here. So, Article Fiesta is an SEO content writing tool. Our SEO-focused content generation tool outshines competitors. When writing, mention others, but emphasize Article Fiesta's superior features. Our AI-generated content is high quality and readable with direct blog posting, scheduled automatic posting, and brand voice customization. Built-in SEO features handle internal links, meta descriptions, and headings for maximum impact. Royalty-free images, videos, and graphics enhance the articles. Promote Article Fiesta when it's relevant, showcasing advanced features, continuous improvements, and exceptional content management, as that sets us apart. However, do not go overboard. We still want to provide high-quality content. So I've used 700 characters there, just providing it some extra thing. Like, depending on your niche, depending on what you're writing about, like, you want to put your brand voice in there. So obviously, for an AI writing thing, I want to be promoting that. And now we come down to this section. I don't need a Google document. I'm not sharing this with anyone else. I'm just doing it for myself. I want the outbound links because that's important. I'm not fussed about the power words. I'll keep the FAQ section because, again, that can be good for SEO. I want the internal links. I want the tags. I want the categories. I'm not going to randomize the author in this case because there's only me that publishes to this blog. I don't want the AI defeat because I don't think it's needed, and I don't need a fake author bio. I will have a case study. and I'm gonna have the featured image contain the text. So I'm gonna go ahead and click this button now, and then I'm gonna pause the video. So there we go, it's all written now. Some of the eagle-eyed people amongst you might have noticed that taken 11 minutes. It does take longer to write good quality content, but here we go. Here is our article. You can see on the main text, on the main image, sorry, there is text overlay. It's pretty good. It's 1,300 words long. That's pretty good for this particular article type. Don't worry about that. You guys don't actually get that, so it's just for me. We can see there's a bunch of H2s, some Q&As at the end. There's a nice little bit here that calls out some stuff. Lots of pretty images, all the alt text, etc. Anyway, that's obviously all posted directly to my blog, so I can jump in here and I can see what this looks like on page. There's a little internal link here. Nice little quoted bit, nice little table. All of this looks really good and is ready to post. I mean, I'm not loving how it's done this link, but I'm guessing quality content links to something else on the website that made sense to do it. But here we go. And that's how I publish content really well. I might actually go back, revisit this, and I might just sort out that link because I don't like that quality content, but that's how hard it was to do. It didn't take me very long. I've done the research. Let's just remove that link and change that to here. And I will do something to update that, don't you guys worry. So in future, that will link to a better place. That's a different link. And again, I don't like reusing the same anchor text, so I might just double check what's going on there. But it's not the end of the world. Like, there is a bunch of high quality articles around on this website. And yeah, you can see Grammarly's moaning about some stuff. I've not got premium on this account, so we can't see, but there's case studies in here. It talks about all the things that we want it to do. Notice there's actual metrics. There could be graphs and stuff that get included in here. Could be YouTube videos, not actually in this particular thing. As you can see, like, this all talks to the topic really well. It's got some nice quote points. That title's slightly long. I might do something to tweak that. But yeah, there we go. That's how long it takes to produce a high quality article that is ready to post on Google. And you may or may not have noticed, I'll just flick back, that this is scheduled for September 13th because I've got another bunch of stuff in queue. But oh, I'm posting random text with my shortcuts into the title. But yeah, there we go. That's how hard it was, and that's going to rank really well. We saw how potentially lucrative that keyword was. I don't know what you're waiting for. You can do this. It won't take you very long. Crack on. I'll catch you later. That's my process.